How do you test a third-party application like credit pool if the integration system is down?
Well, this is actually the day-to-day job, being in the some of the compliance and the complex the features. I do the test, as I mentioned, the product, inventory, and then the credit card. So basically, I think as you got the idea, we get the dummy test data from each of the vendor, but also because their system is not, we do not have the access permission of the system. So sometimes some of the companies, they give the access permission to their staging environment on their interface, but very limited. Means we cannot make the changes of the data, we cannot make any trigger, all we can just verify. What does it mean? Once we verify something on our seller portal or the buyer portal, based on the nature of the user story you are doing, then after you are completed your end, you verify on your database, your backend, then you log into their portal, staging portal, test portal, and then you are verifying. You are expecting some specific event, you are expecting some specific trigger, you need to verify. And many times we expect the immediate response from their backend. Sometimes we expect immediate, not only the response, date and time, and the millisecond. Sometimes we actually not only all this data, we also expect the response payload with the updated their system. So those type of things ensure us that our system is working smoothly and their system is working smoothly. But the moment their system is down, sometimes our DevOps team knows very well, because there is the internal process. They trigger, they send an email, and the DevOps team let us know. Of course, we receive so many emails, so we just forget to check the email. We have a specific chat group where we check whether if the vendor system is outages. If the outages happen, at this moment, we only rely on the DevOps team. Once they actually give the signal while the vendor system is back, you guys should be able to make the start the testing. Even after the if the vendor system is down, we actually cannot do any integration testing in that case. We only do the functional testing and our internal integration testing in between the front end and the back end. Did I answer your question?
Yeah.
Thank you.